According to China EV Post, CATL has successfully test-flown a 4-ton civil electric aircraft. They plan to release an 8-ton electric aircraft by 2027 to 2028. The 8-ton aircraft will have a range of 1,243 to 1,864 miles. CATL's condensed battery, with an energy density of up to 500 watts per kilogram, powers these aircraft. This battery is twice as dense as current mainstream EV batteries. CATL's electric aircraft project is in collaboration with China's state-owned Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China. You are listening to Yuan News.